Hey guys, it's Tion here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a video from YouTube to your camera roll so you can watch it anytime you want. Now with YouTube Premium, in order to download your videos, you have to subscribe to the service. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do that without subscribing or doing anything. And we're going to do that with the power of Siri shortcuts and an app. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have the application installed on your device, which is Siri Shortcuts, as you guys can see it here on my screen. And the next thing that you're going to need to do is go to this link inside of Safari. I'm going to show you guys right now. So we're going to launch Safari here on our device, and we're going to go down to Social Media Downloader. I already have it saved.
Frequently visited. Quiz vertical line. Videos. Frequently visited. Social Media Downloader. Social Media back. Dimmed button.
And once we are at that website, the next thing that we're going to need to do here is click Get Shortcut.
Social Media down. Get Shortcut. Link alert. Open in Shortcuts.
Yes, we're going to open this in Shortcuts.
Cancel. Open button. Alert. Open in App Store. Shortcuts. Shortcut cancel button. Social Media Downloader. This shortcut works with the following apps and notes. Show actions. Get Shortcut.
And we're going to click Get.
You already have a shortcut named Social Media Downloader.
Now, I already had this shortcut pre-installed, but I only did this so that way I can show you guys how to do it yourself.
Would you like to replace your shortcut? Replace. Keep both. Replace.
Yeah, we're going to replace it. Whatever.
Edit. But undo. Dimmed button.
And we're going to go ahead and click Done here. Don't worry about all of this scripting stuff here. You're going to go ahead and click Done in the top right.
Done. Do not done button. Actions available.
And we're going to go back home.
Dock.
And the next thing that we're going to want to do is go to Safari and click on YouTube. We're not going to go to YouTube through the actual app. That's not how this tutorial is going to work. You have to go through Safari.
Safari.
We're going to go into Safari here. And then we're going to go to YouTube. Now, this also works on iPhones as well, but I'm doing it on my iPad since I like watching videos on a larger display. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to want to do here is go over to Search.
Search.
And literally search for whatever video you want. I'm going to go ahead and search for a video, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and checked for NCS since these are non-copyrighted videos that I can go ahead and use. I'm going to go ahead and click on this video, but you can try whatever video you want. And I recommend you pause the video and come back so that we can do it step by step. And I also recommend you doing it on another device if you don't want to pause it.
Unknown brain.
But I do think you should.
Perfect 10. Unknown brain. Unknown brain.
We're going to click on this video here.
Redirected you to the desktop web. Close button. Table end.
And once we've clicked on the video, what you're going to need to do is we're not going to click play or anything. We're going to go up to share in the top right hand corner. We're going to go here.
Button. Do not disturb. Button. Possible tech. Dimmed. New tab. Share.
We're going to go share here.
Enable airdrop sharing button.
And the next thing that we're going to want to do is go down to the shortcuts toggle.
More, but create PD, find on page, request that, shortcuts, button. Drag
and if shortcuts is not up there, you're going to have to click on the more button inside of the pane and turn shortcuts on from there. It's really not that hard. I'm going to go ahead and click on here.
Cancel, button.
And what we're going to need to do, we're going to click on Social Media Downloader.
Run short search, Apple Notes clip, Social Media Downloader, but Social Media running short alert. This shortcut was imported from Safari. Are you sure you want to run it?
And we're going to go ahead and click Run Shortcut.
Alert, bullet, dark, downloader, bullet.
We're going to go ahead and click OK.
I will download from.
And we're going to download this from YouTube. That's what we want.
Cancel, button.
And the next thing that we're going to need to do is choose our quality.
720p.
Now, here's the bad part about this, which it really won't matter because your device is going to default to its native resolution automatically. You only have the option to save the video in up to 720p. But since your device is outputting a higher resolution, it really won't look that bad. So we're going to go ahead and click on this.
Shortcut back button.
And now that it's saved, we're going to go back to our Photos album and see if it's downloaded. Okay guys, I went ahead and switched the video, so I'll be right back. I wanted to switch it to something that we can actually watch. Okay, so once you select your resolution, it's going to give you a notification telling you that it's downloaded, but it's not showing on my iPad right now because I have Do Not Disturb turned on. But what we're going to do here, we're going to go into Photos.
Camera. Photos. Add
okay.
Button.
And we're going to click on All Photos.
All Photos. 25 photo albums. Back button.
And the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go down to the bottom here.
Photo. Video 1 minute 6:56
and we're going to scroll all the way over because I don't know why I went all the way over there.
Video, 1 minute.
And here is the video. Once again, I did switch the video out because I wanted to switch to something that we can actually watch.
Play video button.
We're going to click play.
Play video.
And
Video, 1 minute, 9 seconds.
as you guys can see, I've successfully downloaded a video from YouTube and I am now playing it inside of my Photos album offline without YouTube Premium. How cool is that? And the best thing about this tutorial is that it only works on iPhone. So if you're an iPhone user or an iPad user, you're going to be good to go. And the fact that Siri Shortcuts is coming to macOS in macOS 10.15, you're only going to be able to do so much more with this. And you're going to be able to watch your videos on a larger screen, or if you have iCloud photo sharing enabled, you can watch it on a larger device if you sign into the same iCloud account. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys liked it, let me know with a like and or dislike. If you guys enjoy the content that you see on this channel, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. I've been Tiana Official. See you guys next time.